Hey everybody, just a quick post here from our hotel room in Lexington, Kentucky, where we have been celebrating my 55th birthday with one of our daughters. I have made a couple of responses to people in comments on my videos, encouraging them not to give up on a box after the first time. One thing I found with my second Wantable boxing, and I will post that in the little drop down section below, the link to it, is that when the stylist gets feedback from you on that first box, they really ramp up their game because they have a better idea of what works for you, and they just get a better general sense of your style. So do give them a second or a third chance. I've even heard one person, she's on the pink envelope. I don't know her first name, but she has also a really great unboxing channel, and she said give them at least 3 tries. So with that Wantable unboxing, I wound up keeping 5 items. I surprised myself. There were 7 cents. With Wantable, by the way, if you keep 5 items, you get 20% off of all 5. There were 4 for sure that I wanted when I did the Wantable math and added in this shirt, and which I liked a lot, and reduced it by, took 20% off. I actually wound up spending $4.60 less than I would have for the full price of all 4 shirts. So, or 4 items, not shirts, items. I'm sorry, it's late. But anyway, so do the math and see how you can get the best possible deal. And because she had done such a better job on my second one, because she learned so much from my first one, and you can view that one early on in my videos also. I wound up with 5 really great items, and I think they're mostly classics, and I'll be wearing them for a very long time. So that's your tip of the day. I'm about to go get to bed and get this posted. Have a great one, everybody, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye.